Greetings all. My name is Kelsey Bradley, and today my group and I will be discussing how team leadership adds to leadership studies, criticisms, new material on team leadership, and how to approach team leadership. Team leadership can be defined as the management of a group of people brought together to work to achieve a common goal. Effective team leadership encourages team success and helps teams to avoid failure. The Hill model of team leadership highlights the desired outcomes of teamwork as a result of excellence. This model starts with leadership decisions, then internal and external leadership actions, and ends with the outcome of overall effectiveness. This model supports team leadership as being a result of team-based problem solving. When leadership is shared amongst the entire team, members have the ability to diagnose problems and come up with the appropriate solutions. Teams are thought to be effective if they are able to accomplish a task and maintain a cohesive team. Thank you.
Team leadership is essential to leadership studies because it helps leaders understand how to work with teams to accomplish tasks. Team leadership focuses on internal and external environments, which encompasses the scope of leadership in organizations. Leaders must address dynamics within the group to assess impacts on the team. Team leadership studies provide guidelines that help leaders design and maintain effective units, especially when standards are below average. One of the critical aspects of team leadership studies is the ability to motivate team members in all echelons. Team leaders must create a positive team environment and create common goals where members feel valued and appreciated, which occurs when each individual plays a role in creating successful results. Lastly, team leaders must be able to provide support and guidance to team members. By understanding team leadership, we can help members stay on track and achieve success by providing support and advice founded on leadership studies. Selecting the right team leaders and members is another benefit of team leadership.
When working in corporate America, at some point, every employee will find themselves tasked to work in a group. In this environment is how intricate details become complex. The criticisms of the team leadership model is that it may possibly create chaos and confusion due to there is no clear defined policy on how groups are to resolve conflict, and that departmental silos may develop due to commonalities of the task and members. Additionally, difficulties meeting deadlines may arise due to many individual perceptions, and not all members will contribute equally. In addition to the chaos and confusion, the model may also create an undefined leadership for team members assigned to certain roles that they may or may not have the appropriate skill sets. Overall, the Hill model for team leadership is criticized, citing it does not have a clear, actionable method for team leaders. However, the model does give the appropriate tools and provides a simplified, uniform roadmap in resolving complex issues based on the potential scenario.
According to Baker 2022, there are 9 leadership skills that lead to positive results. These skills include communication, delegation, goal setting, and vision sharing. Team leadership is important when one is trying to accomplish a complex task, such as winning the NBA championship. The Golden State Warriors have played in 6 NBA finals in the past 8 years while winning 4 NBA championships. The team owners have delegated the run of the team to the head coach, Steve Kerr. Steve Kerr then shared the team goal of winning the championship to the players, which ultimately led to increased ownership wealth. When the owners purchased the Golden State Warriors in 2010, the team was worth $450 million. Currently, the team value is at $5.6 billion. This is an example of a team that has excellent leadership skills.
The leader's focus in team leadership is to guide the team in accomplishing their goals by monitoring, diagnosing the team, and taking requisite action. The leader can approach this by knowing when to make decisions to increase team effectiveness, using an assessment strategy to conduct a diagnosis of the team, and taking action to fix any functionality, obstacles if necessary. A research team is trying to study the effects of shared or distributed leadership and innovation of the scientific research team. It concluded a positive effect and has provided new ideas to improve management of future scientific research. Luau, Gao, Xing, Chu, and Yu, 2022. This is a great approach to increase team effectiveness. When a leader makes decisions, they are determining whether to monitor the team or intervene. This is done by analyzing the team, obtaining feedback from team members, networking outside of the team, conducting assessment surveys, and evaluating team outcomes. Fourth House 2022. As the leader decides to intervene, they should share the observation, explain why it's problematic, and discuss change in order to increase the team's performance. Some team members might be reluctant to change, but the leader should listen and ask questions about their hesitation. Mahar Health Sciences Library 2022.